Hi my dear student, today we will discuss chapter 5, two-dimensional analytical geometry. Exercise 5.2, question number 8, fifth subdivision. We have 18x square plus 12y square minus 144x plus 48y plus 120 equal to 0. We want to identify the type of conic. After finding the conic type, we want to find out the center, vertex, foci and equation of directrix. In this case, we have a very big equation, 18x square plus 12y square minus 144x plus 48y plus 120 equal to 0. Here before and all we discussed the standard equation, so directly we will get the standard form and of course we will get the value of a and b. I can declare directly center, foci, vertex, etc. But in previous problem what we discussed, they bring into the standard form with respect to small x and small y, just we are replacing capital X and capital Y. Afterwards we will continue the problem. But in this case it's not like that. It's a very big equation which carries x square, y square, x, y and constant. So you want to bring it to standard form. That is what the very first step. Okay. We are going to apply completion of square method with respect to x and y. Okay. See, the very first step, collect all your x terms. That is 18x square minus 144x. Okay. Then collect your y terms. 12y square plus 48y. Keep your constant in the right hand side. This 120 comes to the right hand side, which is minus 120. See, first collect your x terms, that is x square and x. Then collect your y terms, that is y square and y. Keep the constant in the right hand side. Now apply completion of square method with respect to these two terms and these two terms. See, first step, take x square quotient as common, 18. When you take 18 as common, it will be x square minus how many 18 is there? 8 times 18 x. First step, take x square quotient as common, which is 18. After taking 18, the first term becomes x square. How many 18s are here? Which has 8 times. And here you wanted to take y square quotient, 12 as common. It will be y square. How many 12 here? 4 times y, which gives equal to minus 120. See, very first step, after writing x square and x, successively y square and y, keep the constant in the right hand side. Applying completion of square method with respect to these two terms, take x square quotient as common, which is the very first step, applying completion of square method. When you take 18 as common between these two terms, the bracket will be x square and minus 8x. And between these two terms, you want to take the y square quotient as common, which is 12. After taking 12, it will be y square plus 4y. Okay. Now, 18, open bracket, x square minus 8x. Just divide x coefficient by 2 always. Okay, the 2AB format. Always you want to divide x coefficient by 2. Don't bother about the sign. 8 I have. 8 by 2, 4. Add and subtract the squares. That's all. Close the bracket. See, after taking x square quotient as common, we have inside the bracket x square minus 8x in this case. I wanted to divide always x coefficient by 2. What I have, x coefficient is 8. When you divide by 2, it gives 4. Add and subtract the squares. Okay. Come here. Plus 12. Open bracket. I have y square plus 4y. Right. Always you want to divide y quotient by 2. In this case, I have 4. 4 by 2, 2. Add and subtract the squares. So 2 square plus and 2 square with minus. Close the bracket, which is equal to minus 120. I will repeat. Very first step, take x square quotient as common. Next step, you want to divide x coefficient by 2. Add and subtract the squares of the result. First step, you want to take x square quotient as common. Next step, you wanted to divide x coefficient by 2. Just square, add and subtract the result. Similarly here, take y square quotient as common. Afterwards, see y square plus 4y I have. Just divide y quotient by 2. It gives 2. So add and subtract the squares, plus 2 square minus 2 square. Now see, it will be 18. First 3 terms I can read, this is a square and this is b square, this is minus 2ab. Can I write this is a minus b whole square? X square and 4 square minus 2ab is minus 8x. So first 3 terms I can write as x minus 4 whole square minus 16 plus 12 times. Here first 3 terms a square and this is b square, this is plus 2ab. A plus b whole square. Check. Y plus 2 whole square. Y square, 2 square, 2ab, 4y. And this is minus 2 2s are 4, which is equal to minus 120. Is it clear? Now take this 18 inside. 18 times x minus 4 whole square. 18 times 16. What is 18 times 16? 288. Next, 12 times y plus 2 whole square. Next, 12 times 4 will be 48, which is equal to minus 120. Very simple. Just multiply this 18 inside. 18 times x minus 4 whole square minus 18 times 16 gives 288. Plus 12 times y plus 2 whole square minus 12 times 4 will be minus 48. So 18 times x minus 4 whole square plus 12 times y plus 2 whole square minus 288 minus 48. When it comes to the right hand side, it will be plus 288 plus 48 minus 120. See, this is 18 x minus 4 whole square plus 12 times y plus 2 whole square equal to 288 minus 120 gives 168. It will be 260 after simplifying. Now bring this 216 here. It will be 1 when you divide. 18 times x minus 4 whole square by 216 plus 12 times y plus 2 whole square by 216. Simplify these two. How many 18 here? 10 times 180 plus 2 times 12. So this will be x minus 4 whole square. Cancel this 18 here. 12 times plus y plus 2 whole square. How many 12 here? 12 cancel here. 120 plus 96. 18 times. So it will be 18 equal to 1. See, finally I am getting 288 plus 48 minus 120 gives 216. When you divide 216, it becomes 1. Put 216 here and here. This 18 here how many times? 12 times. This 12 appear here 18 times. So I am getting x minus 4 whole square by 12 plus y plus 2 whole square by 18 equal to 1. Now I am going to replace this x minus 4 as capital X and this y plus 2 as capital Y. It will be capital X square by 12 plus capital Y square by 18 equal to 1. Therefore, which has more value? 18. A square is 18, B square is 12, and the major axis along 18 is more than 12, which appears in the denominator of y square. Therefore, capital Y axis. Now finding E value. E, which is square root of a square minus b square by a square, which is square root of 18 minus 12 by 18, which gives 6 by 18, which gives 1 by 3. Therefore, E value 1 by root 3, which is less than 1. Got it? So, after getting the standard form with respect to capital X and capital Y, I can declare the greater value as a square, which is 18, and b square, which is 12, and 18 appear in the denominator of y square. Therefore, major axis along capital Y axis. E value will be calculated square root of a square minus b square by a square, which is 18 minus 12 by 18, 6 by 18. When you simplify, 1 by 3. So I am getting the value of E is 1 by root 3. Okay. What is AE value? A, which is right here. After taking square root, A will be 9 into 2, that is 3 root 2. B, 4 into 3, 2 root 3. So I got the value of A is 3 root 2, B is 2 root 3. What is AE? 3 root 2 into E, which is 1 by root 3. So because of root 3 appear in the denominator, I multiply and divide root 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 cancel here. Root 2 into root 3 gives AE value as root 6. Got it? So in this case, AE will be root 3 into root 3. 3 get cancelled. Root 2 into root 3, root 6. AE will be root 6. A by E value. What is A? 3 root 2. You want to divide this E value. Instead of weighing, I can multiply the reciprocal, which is root 3. It will be 3 root 6. So A by E value will be 3 root 6. So after bringing it to standard form, you want to declare the value of A square and B square and the major axis along y-axis in this case. So E value I can calculate by using the formula square root of a square minus b square by a square, which gives finally 1 by root 3, and I can find the value of AE and A by E. In this case I am getting AE as root 6 and A by E as 3 root 6. Is it clear? Now I want to find out the center, foci, vertex, directrix. Okay, to prepare a table with respect to capital X, capital Y and small x, small y. Take down this one and I'll rub this area to draw a table. Is it clear? Very first, see the question which is not in a standard form. Apply completion of square method with respect to x and y. Finally, I am getting the standard equation. After replacing capital X and capital Y, I get the standard equation. In this case, I am getting an ellipse. So I can declare my a square, b square, major axis, a by e, etc. everything. So after finding this one, we wanted to prepare a table. Okay, just take down till. I'll rub this area to prepare a table. Afterwards, you will get the values of center, foci, vertex, directrix, etc. Is it clear? Now prepare a table with respect to capital X, capital Y and small x and small y. Reference with respect to capital X, capital Y. Reference with respect to small x and small y. What is small x? Small x will be capital X. This minus 4 comes here, plus 4. What is small y? Small y will be capital Y minus 2. This is small y, capital Y. When this plus 2 comes here as minus 2. So first column with respect to capital X and capital Y. Okay. Second column with respect to small x and small y. Your small x can be calculated by using this substitution, capital X plus 4. And small y will be capital Y minus 2. So according to this equation, the dummy figure will be like this. Okay. So the major axis along y-axis. So center will be 0, 0. Just replace capital X equal to 0, small x gives 4, small y will be minus 2. Therefore, center will be 4, minus 2. So I am getting the center in this case 0, 0 with respect to capital X and capital Y. When you replace here, you will get small x as 4, small y as minus 2. Your center will be 4, minus 2. Next, your foci, which is on y-axis, 0, plus or minus AE, that is 0, plus or minus, what is AE? Root 6. Okay. After replacing capital X as 0, small x will be 4. After replacing capital Y as root 6, it will be root 6 minus 2. And again I have 0, minus root 6. When I replace here 0 plus 4 as 4 and minus root 6 minus 2. So therefore your foci F1 will be 4, root 6 minus 2 and F2 will be 4, minus root 6 minus 2. Got it? Now we are getting the foci with respect to capital X and capital Y is 0, plus or minus root 6. When you replace capital X equal to 0 here, it gives small x value as 4. When you replace capital Y as root 6, it gives small y value as root 6 minus 2. And we have one more foci with 0, minus root 6. When you replace here, I am getting small x as 4 and small y will be minus root 6 minus 2. So now finding vertices. From the dummy figure, the vertices which is on y-axis, so 0, plus or minus a. That is 0, plus or minus, what is a? 3 root 2. Okay, when you replace your capital X as 0, it gives a small x value 4. And 3 root 2, which is the capital value of y, when you replace here, it gives 3 root 2 minus 2. And we have one more point, 0, minus 3 root 2. When you replace 0 here, it gives small x as 4. And y, when you replace minus 3 root 2 here, it gives minus 3 root 2 minus 2. So therefore V1 4, 3 root 2 minus 2 and another vertex V2 4, minus 3 root 2 minus 2. Got it? Very simple. Very first you want to find out the vertex with respect to capital X and capital Y. In this case, which is on y-axis, 0, plus or minus a. which is 0 comma plus or minus 3 root 2. When you replace this capital X and capital Y here and here, you will get with respect to small x and small y value, that is V1 4 comma 3 root 2 minus 2 and V2 4 comma minus 3 root 2 minus 2. Now we want to find out the equation of Directrix. The equation of Directrix will be parallel to x-axis, that is y equal to constant. Capital Y equal to plus or minus A by E. That is capital Y equal to plus or minus what is A by E, which is 3 root 6. Replace here. Get small value, which is 3 root 6 minus 2 and Y equal to minus 3 root 6 minus 2. So you will get the required equation of the Directrix with respect to small x and small y value will be y equal to 3 root 6 minus 2 or y minus 3 root 6 plus 2 equal to 0 and y equal to minus 3 root 6 minus 2 or y plus 3 root 6 plus 2 equal to 0. So I am getting the equation of Directrix. In this case, y equal to 3 root 6 minus 2 and y equal to minus 3 root 6 minus 2. Is it clear? So very first, see the question, bring it to standard form. After replacing capital X and capital Y, you will get this one. So with respect to capital X and capital Y, you are preparing a first table which gives the center, foci, vertex, Directrix equation with respect to capital X and capital Y. Just we are replacing all your capital X and capital Y value here in small x and small y. You will get respectively the center, foci, vertex equation of Directrix. Second column shows the center, foci, vertex, Directrix for the given equation. Okay, for comfort zone, we are going to prepare the equation by using completion of square method to bring it like this. And finally, we are getting after substitution of capital X and capital Y, we will get the standard equation of the ellipse. After getting, we are preparing a table. According to the table, we may find the value of center, foci, vertex, Directrix. Is it clear?